All right, this is another video on the overall website, basically how things work. So we have the home page, order a ride, headquarters, our reviews, about the company, service areas we covered, services we provide, YouTube us, restaurant partner, package delivery, out of service coverage, frequent asked questions. That's a good one because you guys might have that. Prices for rides, curbside delivery, fast food. Join our team careers, rent out services plus services, roadside assistance, food delivery plus grocery store, create account, snack store, community chat network, support videos. Okay. So let's talk a little bit about order a ride. Now, this is our order a ride page, but this is just like when you fill in information, your first name, your last name, pick up address, drop off address. That's just basic information. That's if you're going through the tab way, the menu way. There's many ways to hit order on ride. There's many different ways to hit. It's very easy, you guys. It's very easy. Like the curbside food delivery. If you guys are wanting that, you basically just put in your information that you're wanting for food, and things of nature, where it's being picked up from, where it's being taken to, stuff like that. It's just the basic information that you're looking for. Let's see. We got the curbside. We're going to talk about Food Delivery Plus. You guys are going to love this service, right? So, Grocery Delivery Plus, this is where we go into the store and we get the groceries for you. We go and get the groceries for you and we bring them to your doorstep. That's all through this. And same way that you do everything else. First name, last name, pick up address, drop off address. And then the very important part about this is making sure that your list is correct. Making sure that you got the right amount of numbers of stuff you want for a certain amount of things. Because I really go off this list that you provide. It's very important we get that right. Any kind of alcohol or cigarettes you're buying, you must upload your driver's license. Okay, and that's in the list. That's above. You must upload those license. Okay, you gotta upload those. See, right there, upload driver's license if you're buying alcohol and cigarettes. It's there. Gotta upload those licenses. It's pretty simple. Everything is self-explanatory. You can get us on YouTube. Frequent asked questions, like if you got certain questions that get an answer to you right away, you can definitely go to like the FAQs and definitely look at what kind of questions you think you may have on the website. It answers majority of everyone's questions. It really does. It pretty much knocks out any question you would ask me on the phone. That's, sometimes we don't answer the phone because everything we have is automated. So you got to go through the system. Once you go through the system, you get things done that way. So this is our frequent asked questions. You see here, it's pretty much easy. Community chat. If you want to talk about something in the chat, you can write you a comment or something. You can write something new in there or anything you may be going through or questions about the site. Our live chat, you can definitely click on there. It'll come right up asking how may I help you. It's a very easy function. You'll love that. You can communicate with me and everything and speak to me. And it's going to ask you how can I help you, and I'll reply to you. Forward to being here with you guys and helping you guys through the site. It's pretty easy. Let's see. Snack store. Snack store is one of our newest features. The snack store, but we also provide roadside assistance. We do provide roadside assistance on this. So if you need a service, you can definitely just click on these services and get that done for you. Snack store. If you guys got a little snack you want, you guys got a little thing, get a little hungry. We're still adding foods to our store. But if you get a little hungry, you want a little something, you can shop around, and it works just like Amazon or anybody else. You can just click on it, add to your cart, buy it. and you'll get the shipping fees at the end, which is the delivery fee, and we'll come bring you some food. This particular service usually takes place at 8 o'clock in the morning, so you kind of need to get your order in at least a day before, so it can get your food to you. On this end, as far as any kind of small grocery, like little pickups. These are for like little pickups. That's why it's called snack store. That's pretty much a lot, guys. We have a lot to offer here at United Taxi Services. We have support videos in case you guys need to understand how to do what you're doing. You can learn about the booking fees, about adding the booking fee and adding money so we can purchase your items, because that's part of the whole deal when you are doing like food delivery. We're doing food delivery. If you got like something you want us to buy, you need to add money to your purchase so we can go purchase your item for you. Okay. That's pretty much all she wrote, y'all. It's pretty simple. Everything is laid out on the home screen. Food delivery, order a ride, package delivery, grocery delivery, shopping on demand. Relax. Let us handle it all. Make a list.